Hey, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this session on the oil prices. Today we will be discussing the rationale behind the gradual slide in oil prices. As we all know, the oil price has come down from a level of $150 per barrel to a level of $120 per barrel. There are several reasons which have been discussed in the popular media, and most of them point towards the gradual downtrend in the usage of oil. Well, that's true. Then there is another set of reasons related to the economy, and that is true too. But there could be a very well thought of strategy which is behind this downward trend. Okay, let's first discuss the popular reasons. The first one, the supply, because of high prices, has been stable, but the demand has come down substantially. There have been figures like in US, one of the major consumers of oil, there has been a reduced propensity to drive. The US citizens have driven 9.5 billion miles less this summer compared to last summer. In other usages, also there is a downward trend. This is further evidenced by the US statistics on oil storage, which has been stable or has shown an increasing trend. The second set of reasons related to economy. Whenever there is a pressure on the economy, or there is a likelihood that the inflation or the economy will be hard hit because of high prices, the prices of oil has come down. So apart from these reasons, there has been traders or speculators who have been looking at all these trends and taking positions. But could there be any other reason? Well, there could be. And one of the reasons which comes to my mind is a strategy by the oil producers to keep oil at a level which is not too high and not too low. Well, you must say, high prices benefit them. In short term, I would agree. But in long term, no. If the oil prices are consistently very high, the drive to search for renewable sources of energy will be further strengthened. The usage definitely will be down marginally or substantially, but the usage of oil might be threatened and be replaced by the renewable sources. And once this happens, the demand for oil will go down permanently. So, the oil companies do benefit from high prices, but they are also aware that consistent high prices will have a long-term negative impact on them. So they are trying to maintain oil prices at a level where they benefit from high prices, but still they discourage the drive to search and further mature the efforts towards the towards the renewable sources of energy. So this could be one of the major reasons why the oil prices are down. And to think of it, if the price goes beyond 150 and is maintained at that level for a substantial period of time, definitely the efforts to tap solar energy, wind energy and all other non-conventional sources of energy would be boosted, and that would benefit the consumers of energy. Well, it's another thing that it would also benefit the environment, so it will be positive. So in a way, higher prices of oil would be positive for the global citizen as a whole, but maybe prices will not remain high for a long time, and they will keep showing a downward trend to discourage all these efforts. Thank you.